Past approaches to planning are ones of working against the environment. These practices have led cities to exploit resources, pollute the environment, and destroy living systems. Although cities cover less than 2% of the Earth's surface, they consume 78% of the world's energy and produce more than 60% of all significant greenhouse gases. This is mainly through energy production, vehicle usage, and industry. Humans are already feeling the effects of global warming. If we don't plan better, we can expect more frequent and severe natural hazards, extreme droughts, and sea level rise. Cities can also have a tremendous effect reducing the amount of waste that enters and persists in the environment. So how do we accomplish this? People have been planning with the environment in mind since 2000 BCE, but the most popular environmental narrative is one that has only been around since the late 1980s. It is known as sustainability or sustainable development. Speaking generally, sustainability is maintaining the needs of current generations without sacrificing the needs of future generations. There are 4 general categories that need to be considered when working towards sustainability. First is the environment. The second are natural resources. The third is economic. And the fourth is societal. Since outdated planning methods have decimated living systems, it is not enough to simply be sustainable. It is the responsibility of the planner to regenerate or give new life and energy to ecosystems that they are developing. Regenerative design is a system of technologies and strategies based on an understanding of the inner workings of ecosystems that regenerate rather than deplete life support systems and resources. Regenerative design calls for a whole systems understanding of a place and how development fits within that place to regenerate the natural environment. Because every place is different, every place requires different things. Regenerative design is not a set of guidelines, but rather an orientation towards development. Accomplishing this development requires strategic systems thinking and stakeholder engagement/commitment to ensure the regenerative design process achieves its maximum leverage and support. An easy way to think of the relationship between regenerative design, sustainability, and degradation is to place them on a linear horizontal axis. Degradation in this model would be a negative value because it is subtracting ecosystem services and benefits. Since sustainability neither adds nor subtracts ecosystem services, it is a zero value. Regeneration, on the contrary, is a positive value because it adds ecosystem services. With this outlook towards planning, the perils of today are solved through the imaginative solutions of tomorrow.